Picture this. The open road stretching endlessly ahead, the hum of freedom under your wheels, and turning every head as you roll by in something that looks like it came straight out of the future. This isn't a concept sketch, and it's not a sci-fi movie prop. This is the stunning 2027 Tricycle RV. And once you see what it can do, your idea of road travel will never be the same again. At first glance, it doesn't even feel real. The bold three-wheel stance gives it a futuristic attitude, but there's also something incredibly confident about it. One wheel up front, two in the back, perfectly balanced to slice through the road with ease. It's compact enough to feel agile, yet solid enough to feel like a true home on wheels. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop scrolling and stop you in parking lots. Now let's talk about movement. Traditional RVs feel bulky, heavy, and sometimes intimidating to drive. This Tricycle RV flips that experience upside down. The steering feels smooth, almost bike-like, while still giving you the stability of a camper. Tight city streets, winding mountain roads, narrow coastal highways. This machine handles them all like it was built for adventure, not just highways and campgrounds. Step inside, and this is where the real surprise begins. You expect compromises because of the size, but the 2027 Tricycle RV refuses to play by old rules. The interior is smart, modern, and shockingly spacious. Every inch is designed with intention. A cozy sleeping area transforms in seconds. A compact kitchen appears exactly when you need it, and hidden storage pops out where you'd never expect. It feels less like a camper and more like a futuristic capsule designed for explorers. And yes, comfort is king here. Soft lighting creates a warm, relaxing vibe at night, while large windows flood the space with daylight during the day. You wake up with the sun, cook with a view, and fall asleep under the stars, all without stepping outside. This is minimalism done right, where nothing feels missing and everything feels purposeful. What really sets the 2027 Tricycle RV apart is its focus on the future. Efficiency is built into its DNA. Lightweight materials, improved aerodynamics, and next-level engineering mean better mileage and lower running costs. Some versions even hint at hybrid or electric-ready systems, making this not just an RV for today, but one designed for the roads of tomorrow. But here's the part that truly makes this special: the lifestyle. This isn't just about traveling from point A to point B, it's about freedom without limits. Parking becomes easier, spontaneous trips become normal. You're no longer planning your life around hotels, fuel stops, or massive parking spaces. You just go, whenever, wherever. Imagine pulling up to a quiet beach at sunset, a mountain overlook at dawn, or a hidden forest road no big RV could ever reach. The 2027 Tricycle RV doesn't just take you there, it belongs there. It blends adventure with comfort in a way that feels almost unreal. And as you watch this, think about the future of travel. Smaller, smarter, more personal. This Tricycle RV isn't a trend, it's a signal, a sign that the way we explore the world is changing fast. So if you've ever dreamed of owning the road, living lighter, and traveling smarter, this might just be the vehicle that makes it all possible. And trust me, once you imagine yourself inside this 2027 Tricycle RV, it's very hard to imagine going back.